Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your refrigerator when the door is off alignment. You can kind of see this one's a little lower, might even be able to see it right here. It's so simple, you just need a 7x16" wrench and you come down to the door. So here's the bottom of the refrigerator door. Every refrigerator is different. You might have a plastic cover that you have to move a little bit, but this bolt right here, if you turn it counterclockwise about 10 times or so. It just depends. It might be 20 times that on your refrigerator. It might be 3 times. But you just keep turning this and you'll see the door is going up. If you want it to go down, turn it the opposite way. And then in theory, let's see if it's better. Much better. So that's how you adjust a refrigerator. It's a GE model. Super simple. I hope that helps save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching.